Here, hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be doing some research on the secrets to affiliate marketing success. Okay, let me add an S there. Now, if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, welcome. I'm always releasing content that will teach you how to become more profitable with your online business. So consider subscribing. And if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, you can just click on my name. Also, if you want to get my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies at any time, you can click in the description link below. All right, and I'll just send that directly to your email inbox. All right, so let's talk a little bit about the secrets to affiliate marketing success. Now, this is not going to be like a step-by-step strategy video, okay? Because I show you a lot of how to do that in a lot of my other videos. But today, I'm going to talk about a few points that I think are actually more important, because when people skip these steps, they basically fail a lot of the time. All right, so the secrets really to affiliate marketing success number one, and you wouldn't believe this, is actually a positive attitude. Okay, so and actually this is really universal. This is not just for affiliate marketing. This is for being successful in general, right? This is so important, because there's so many people that have a lot of negativity when they're building their internet business. Okay, they're so negative. They allow negative people around them. You know, a lot of the time it's their family members, right? It could be their spouse, it could be their best friend, it could be their group of friends, their brother or sister, who actually pull them down. You know, they'll say things like, you know, who do you think you are? Do you think you're Elon Musk? You know, do you think you're you're some massive internet entrepreneur that you can just go off and try and make, you know, millions of dollars and stuff like that, and they'll try and pull you down. Okay, there's also a lot of negativity online. So if you start marketing online, you start putting yourself out there, what you'll realize is that people are extremely negative. There are lots of trolls out there, and you know what they're gonna do? Instead of building the highest skyscraper in the city, they're gonna tear down every single skyscraper around them so that their skyscraper looks the tallest. Okay, and then these negative people will make negative comments on your posts and your videos and things like that, and then it makes you very negative. Well, my suggestion is you ignore these idiots, okay, and you stay as positive as you can, because ultimately it really comes down to the 6 inches between your ears, okay? Your mind, your mindset, right? I know that sounds corny. You may have heard that from, you know, some positive or motivational guru, but the truth is, it's true. Even if I was to give you the silver bullet strategy now, okay, you're still gonna hit roadblocks, guaranteed. Okay, that's just how internet business works. It's just how business works, period, right? So even if you had the strategy, it's not gonna go smooth. It's gonna be like this. It's gonna be a jagged, you know, forward, backwards, up, down, left, right, and then finally you get to the top. It's not just gonna be like that, right? So along your journey, you're gonna want to quit. I guarantee it, right? And it's that positive attitude, it's the positivity that keeps you grounded and keeps you going. So remember that, okay? Practice positive attitude every single day, okay? The second thing is integrity. All right, how do you build, or how do you become successful in affiliate marketing? Actually, a lot of it has to do with integrity, right? So let me just make this bigger. Okay. A lot of it has to do with integrity, right? I mean, we're in the internet marketing space, and you'll find that there are tons and tons of internet marketers that do not have this, that do not have integrity, all right? Most of them aren't actually even successful. They talk about how much money they've made, they make income claims, you know, they show pictures, you know, a lot of that is fake stuff, right? A lot of the products that I've reviewed, the people that are doing the reviews, right, like the testimonials, they're not even real customers. They're paid actors from a website called Fiverr. Okay, I know this because I recognize a lot of these actors. You pay them $5, they create a fake testimonial for you, you stick it on your product, and it makes it look like you're making money, but actually you're not really making money, right? A lot of these guys are making sales from they're making money from the sales of their product that doesn't necessarily work. People are just buying those products. Does that make sense, right? So integrity is so important, okay? It's not just about the way you conduct yourself online, but it's also the products that you sell. If you're selling shit products and you're cheating people out of their money, what do you think is going to happen to you later on, right? It's called karma. And karma's a bitch, right? You know, life is a circle, okay? If you cheat people, if you don't have integrity, if you're not selling good stuff, and you're not, you know, positioning yourself in a real light, okay, it's going to come and bite you in the ass at some point, okay? So integrity is really, it's a secret to success, all right? And for me, integrity is my brand, you know? I'm not going to tell people that I've done something when I haven't done that, okay? And you shouldn't either, all right? The third thing is trustworthiness, okay? Very important. Now, this is huge, right? Because ultimately the way that affiliate marketing works, okay, and you may or may not know this, is that you're trying to sell a digital product to someone who lives halfway across the world, okay? They don't know you from Adam, right? So why would they ever want to buy something from you, okay? It's all about something that I call know, like, and trust, right? People have to get to know you, they have to get to like you, and they have to get to trust you. Otherwise, they will never ever buy a product that you recommend, even if the product does look pretty good, okay? So trust is everything, right? And how do you get people to trust you? Well, the easiest way to do that is to provide value. This is literally the best formula to getting people to know, like, and trust you, all right? And I talk about that in a lot of my other videos. You can go back to my channel if you want to check it out. But there's something that I call the value strategy, okay? It's valuable pieces of content. It's strategically placed inside of your sales funnel. You put it inside of your autoresponder and you email it out automatically to your potential customers. You teach them something that they want to learn about the topic that they opted in for, all right? And over a period of time, they will get to know, like, and trust you. And because you've got that trustworthiness, all right? And of course, it comes through when you do videos and you create great content, and it's about, you know, your personality and putting yourself out there and your confidence and the way that you posture yourself through the video, all right? All of these things come together to create, you know, this whole trustworthiness, and that's how you become extremely successful through affiliate marketing, okay? And this is one of the big secrets, okay? Another thing really is persistence, all right? And this is really important. Okay, so I mean, for me, if you don't know my story, I failed for 8 years when I was building my business online, but I truly believed that I could do this, all right? I had made a bit of money. I knew a lot of people in the industry that were making millions, but for some reason, I couldn't figure it out, right? Now, I could have quit any one of those 20 times that I wanted to quit, all right, in the first 8 years, but I didn't. Okay. In fact, there was some times where I quit for a month, sometimes a few weeks. There was one time where I actually quit for 3 months where I didn't work on my business at all. But I always came back, all right? And I always believed that this whole online thing is real. Affiliate marketing is real, okay? And if you learn how to do it properly, you can generate a ridiculous lifestyle for yourself. But you have to earn it, right? It's not one of those things where you invest $7 and all of a sudden money starts raining down from the sky. And then you lie on the beach, drink your coconut, and never have to work again. It's not that, okay? It's about learning new skills. It's about implementing them inside of your business, inside of your life, okay? It's about consistency and persistence and doing it over and over and over again, no matter what. Okay, no matter if you run out of money, no matter if you don't have any resources, no matter if your YouTube account got shut down, no matter if your Facebook account got shut down, no matter if your spouse tells you that you're just a daydreamer and you're never going to make it. Okay, no matter what, you have to persist and you have to break through that negativity, be positive, have integrity, get people to trust you, be persistent, and that's how you become extremely successful with affiliate marketing. Okay, and one more here. And I mean, this is you know, this should be very, very obvious to you. But the fifth one is hard work. It literally is hard work. Okay, you know, when I was building my online business before I resigned from my job, right? I had a career in this one particular company. It was a recruitment firm. I was there for 7 years, right? Great company, but I'm just not built for corporate. You know, it's not something that I want to do long term with my life, right? I was working all the time, okay? From 8:30 to 5:30, I was working at my job, and as soon as I got home, all right, went to the gym. You know, you gotta make sure that you're sweating every single day. You need to, you know, release those endorphins, get your body moving. That's when, you know, your blood's flowing to your brain, and that's when you get energy to actually do something else, right? As soon as I finished dinner, 8:30 to midnight every day, and then more time on the weekends, I was working on my business. Okay. Now, a lot of people ask me, especially my close friends who knew what I was doing, they're like, dude, you're crazy, man. I don't know where you get the energy from. Like, how can you work an 8-9 hour day at the office and then go back home, go to the gym, have dinner, and then work on your business? And my answer to them is, well, you know, how much are your dreams worth? You know, how much are your dreams worth? Are you willing to sacrifice a little bit, okay, to live the rest of your life in comfort? Are you willing to do that? A lot of people forget how long they actually live, okay? Think about this. If you're my age, I'm 36 years old, right? I got a good 40 years, at least. You know, let's actually do the math on that. Plus 36 plus 40. Yeah, I've got a good 40 years at least, minimum. Okay, I'm a pretty healthy guy. I eat well. I work out and stuff like that. So I'm probably gonna live beyond 80, right? So more than 40 years. Okay. So if you were to sacrifice just a little bit of time for the rest of your life, it's not a big deal. Okay. People forget how long life actually is. If you're thinking to yourself, man, Aaron, do I really have to work on my business for a year, for 2 years, for 3 years, for 4 years, for 5 years? Well, let me ask you this. How long do you want to slog away at your job? How long do you not want to be able to achieve your dreams? Right? Do you want to work for a boss that you don't respect? Do you want to earn, I don't know, $2,000 a month, $3,000? I don't know what your salary is, but most people that are struggling, they're earning less than $5,000 a month, which is not that much money, okay? Depending on where you live in the world, of course, right? But again, you're probably struggling if you're earning that kind of money, right? How long do you want to live like that? So, and you're not willing, and when I say you, I'm talking about the general you, okay? I'm not talking about you specifically, but I'm talking to the hundreds and thousands of people that are watching this video, right? Is that how long are you willing to suffer before you realize that actually, it's worth sacrificing a little bit and working at that a little bit more and working hard in order to achieve your dreams? Man, I would rather suffer another 8 years of slogging away at my business, okay, than struggling for the next 40 years of my life. Does that make sense, right? So again, life is long, okay? And so if you take a year, 2, 3 years to build your business and build your dreams and build a super successful affiliate marketing business, then it's not a bad thing at all. Because remember, the next 39 years, the next 40, 41 years, whatever it is, right? Depending on how old you are, the next 30 years, the next 40, 50 years, you're gonna live it within your terms, with your terms, okay? You're gonna live life in your own terms, which is the most important thing, okay? Whether that's being able to travel when you want, being able to not worry about your bills, being able to earn 2, 3, 4 times what your corporate salary pays you, being able to spend more time with your family because you now work from home, whatever your goals are, okay? Everybody has different goals. But for me, these 5 things are really the secrets to affiliate marketing success, okay? It's not the value series. It's not, tweaking something in your email so that you get 30% open rates, okay? It's not doing a webinar in a particular way so you sell 4 more times than somebody else who doesn't know that secret, okay? It's not all these things. These things you can learn, all right? But again, like I mentioned in the beginning, even if I gave this all to you on a silver platter, but you don't have these 5 things, you are screwed. You will never have affiliate marketing success, okay? Every single successful affiliate marketer in the world, okay, do these 5, well, most of them anyway, okay, because some of them make money without having high integrity, but they definitely have a positive attitude. Most of them you can trust a little bit. They're definitely persistent, and a lot of them do work really, really hard, okay? But if you want to do this right, then you definitely want to have integrity and trustworthiness as well, okay? So listen, I hope you got some value from today's video. This is, again, you know me. I don't talk about the obvious, right? I'm not gonna sit there and show you this step-by-step strategy because I've done that in a lot of my other videos as well. I want to talk about the real stuff that really gets you to bridge that gap. Okay, you're here right now. You want to get over here. How do you do that? How do you bridge that gap? Well, you got to do these 5 things. You got to be positive, right? You got to get people to trust you. You have to work hard. You have to be persistent. You got to be relentless. Okay, that's the word, relentless, right? No matter what, no matter your situation, no matter if you're broke, no matter if you live in a shitty, part of the city, no matter if your parents suck, it doesn't matter. You got to stop blaming your parents, right? You need to be responsible for your own success, okay? And the only way that you can do it is if you focus on these 5 things, all right? So let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Did you get some aha moments? Do you resonate with this message, right? And then listen, if you really want to get the strategy, and here's where we do it, all right? Here's where we do it. If you want to learn, if you do these 5 things, okay, and you're like, Aaron, I'm going to focus on these 5 things every single day, but I need the step-by-step on actually how to build my business. Very simple. If you haven't already got it, all you have to do is click on the link right below this video. If you're on your mobile phone, click on the arrow on the right-hand side. It'll reveal that link. Get onto my website, enter your best email address, and I'm going to send you a video that's going to show you 7 steps on how you can actually do this, okay, step by step. And I'll lay it out for you properly, and you can just copy it and then take your business and life to the next level if you want. All right, so listen, take care, all the best. Thanks for watching this video today, and I hope to speak to you very soon on another video. Take care.